Hello and welcome back to the Samantha Hearne channel. This is a space where we talk about how you can create success and be happy doing it. Who doesn't want that? In today's video, I'm talking to you about law of attraction in your business and how you can still use strategy at the same time. And these tips are going to give you ways that you can allow the law of attraction in, but you can still allow yourself to plan, put yourself into strategy mode, and still complement the two. Do you ever feel like you are either a strategizer, a doer, and a planner, or a trust in the universe, law of attraction manifesting person? Do you feel like you have to be one or the other? If so, this video couldn't be more perfect for you, because this is going to give you both and how you can put them together to maximize the results. The first tip that I have for you is create a plan that you can trust. So for me, I do love to have a plan, and I do love to know what's coming, and I love to be able to know what I'm working on and have that structure and focus. But I also trust in the plan. So when you're thinking about law of attraction and how you're trying to attract in more of what you want, if you have a plan that you trust, that complements that. It complements that attraction. So have a plan that you trust. Trust in the plan that you create. And when you do so, that process and trusting that process comes from the plan that you've put in place. So make sure that your business plan, whether it's your financial plan for each quarter, your business plan for each quarter, your launch plans, your content plans, whatever it might be, make sure that these plans are plans that you trust, plans that you're confident in, and plans that you know will bring an impact and a result for you and your business. Number two, you then have to make sure that you celebrate the outcomes. When you're thinking about law of attraction, remember it's all about attracting more of what you want and more of what you receive and being grateful for it. So once you've created a plan that you trust, when those things then happen, you need to celebrate the results. You have to celebrate the outcomes. And even if they don't quite meet exactly what you first wished, you have to celebrate the outcome anyway. You need to celebrate what has come of it, celebrate what has worked. Because the more you're celebrating that success and the outcome, the more you are attracting in that energy. The more you focus on what hasn't worked, the more that energy is coming into your business and into your mindset. So celebrate the outcomes, celebrate the wins, and celebrate what you have created and what has worked in your business, in your targets, in your goals, in your plans. Celebrate the outcome. This next tip is something I do every single day. I set daily tasks that allow me to take inspired action. When you're thinking about law of attraction, it's all about attracting in, like I've said, more of what you want and more of what you want to create. So for me, if I have a daily plan that I trust, I have a daily list of what I'm working on, I know my focus for the day, I know my intentions for the day, I can take inspired action. I can know that I'm taking inspired action towards what I want to create and attract that in. So think about having a daily plan that give you inspired action. Attract more of what you want. Attract that into your life. Take daily plans to allow those to create inspired action. That's all about law of attraction. You're trying to attract in more of what you want, and the energy, the focus, all of it is all about attracting that positive influence. So if you're taking inspired action from a plan that you've created every single day, it's fresh, it's clear, and it serves a purpose. That is going to allow you to take inspired action and link to the law of attraction, for sure. This is just to remind you why these are all so important. You attract what you already have. So if you have a mindset of lack, a mindset of doubt, all of the negatives that will go wrong, of judgment, of things that make you feel insecure and just, oh, I'm not sure, that's what you're going to continue to attract. And it's going to be what you continue to expand in your energy. So there has to be a shift here. So I know I'm giving you these tips, but if you started watching this video thinking law of attraction's not for me, I'm not sure about it, I don't know what it really means, think about the fact that all you're doing is attracting more of what you already have. If what you have currently isn't making you feel happy and isn't lighting you up inside, you need to have a shift. You need to think about how can you change what you are already creating to attract more of it. So if things aren't exactly where they want to be, you might not be able to change that right now, but you can change the way you approach it. You can change the way that you react to it, and you can change the emotions that you bring to that situation. You attract what you already have. I must say as well, when I said my first tip about having a plan isn't mistrust. A plan isn't telling the universe that you don't trust what the universe has for you. Your plan creates clarity and intention for the universe and for your law of attraction. So having a plan isn't mistrust. Having a strategy doesn't mean you don't trust the universe. It means that you're trying to really cement and create concrete clarity and intention so the universe can meet you there, the universe can align with you, and you can align your energy with it. So for me, I don't see a plan as a negative or a situation of mistrust. I see a plan as, this is what I want, this is what I'm going for, and this is what I'm going to get. So when you are thinking about this and you think about law of attraction and what you're trying to bring in, allow your plan to be inspired, intentional, purposeful, give you clarity, because that's what you can show up and share with the universe through your energy and through your actions. The next two link for me around law of attraction. You have to show the universe why you want it, and that comes from being committed and consistent. If you say to yourself that you want to have a 10K month, and after 3 months that hasn't happened and you give up, you are not giving the universe the energy it needs to give that to you. Not everything happens straight away. Just because it's law of attraction doesn't mean you attract it straight away like a magnet. It could be that you start with a 2K month, then another 2K month, then a 4K month. All of these things take time, but you're attracting it in. So think exactly, this is a perfect example. If you're wanting to get to a 10K month and you have 5K months, you're attracting that energy. You're creating and bringing in abundance. The universe then knows what you want, and it knows that you're celebrating the outcome. It knows you're taking inspired action. It knows you're giving yourself a plan that is clear and intentional. It knows what you want more of, and that will eventually multiply and expand. So you have to make sure that you tell the universe why you want it and show the universe why you want it by being committed and consistent. So for me, I 100% use manifestation and law of attraction, but I definitely still have a plan and a strategy, and I definitely don't think that's a bad thing. And for me, it never has been. Any goals I've set, I've met or exceeded. Any financial targets I've wanted to achieve, I've done so, and some. And it might not always be at the click of a finger, but it has happened. And it's happened within an amazing time frame that has allowed me to continue to bring more of that. Show up and tell the universe why you want it by being consistent and committed. So remember, your energy, your thoughts, your mindset attract more of what you already have. If what you have isn't lighting you up, reset and think about what you want to be multiplying for yourself. And your business can definitely have both strategy and law of attraction and spirituality and create success. If you have questions about law of attraction, if you have questions about how this can work for you, or if you have loved this video and tell me which tip is your favorite, I'd love to hear from you. So for me, how can you use law of attraction in your business to help you create success and abundance? This is exactly how, and these would be some of the key things I would share with all of you, and have helped me when I first started out in law of attraction, manifestation, self-development. So I hope you've loved this video. I can't wait to see you in the next one. And if you haven't, I'd love for you to go back a couple of videos and watch my business story so that you can be inspired by how I started, where I started, and where I am now, and know that it absolutely is possible for you. And the law of attraction and your energy can 100% help you get there. I'll see you in the next video.